In this Rock Like the Pros intermediate practice and technique challenge video, we're going to go over a few things. One, the winners of the Kala guitars. I'll let you know some information on that. Two, what's next? What do you do from here? Now that we've gone through the review, don't worry. I got something else for us planned. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and man, if you're watching this video right now and you went through the entire challenge, bravo. Great job. Oh my gosh, this was a challenge for me as well. These things I'm going to continue to work on. I'm going to continue to get better and better on as well. And you should as well. And you should continue to, when you pick up your guitar, work these into your warm-ups, into your practice. These will make a difference as you move forward. Now, we got to pick some winners. It's not too late to enter to win one of the two Kala guitars, okay? It's not too late, all right? We'll put those links below. You can sign up for the general challenge. That's going to have a chance to win the Kala Mini Orchestra guitar. And then the VIPs, and it's not too late to become a VIP, they're going to have a chance to win the Kala Parlor guitar. And of course, the VIPs get all the tab, the PDFs, the backing tracks, and all that stuff as well. Now, the VIPs, you didn't know this, they also got some bonus videos, okay? So if you aren't a VIP and you want to have some bonus videos as well, then you can sign up and you can get access to those bonus videos. All right, but we got two things. Okay, stay with me here. If you like what we're doing, if you like this challenge, if you like me, if you like Rock Like the Pros, if you like getting better at guitar, I got two things for you. One, and I've mentioned this in this video, is we're going to have an advanced technique workshop. We'll put a link to that below. Go sign up. We're going to have this will be a private call with me, a special guest, and we're going to go over these kind of techniques, but just really, really cool stuff. So you want to make sure you're part of that. Okay? Then, if you just want to make a commitment, stick with somebody, me, Rock Like the Pros. Don't jump around to all the different things on YouTube, on the internet. You'll stick with somebody. That's how you learn. Make sure to check out Rock Like the Pros, check out the premium membership, get access to all the courses, all the Q&As that we do during the month, and access to all the new stuff that we post as well. So that's the Rock Like the Pros premium membership. Go check that out. Come be a part, even more engaged with the Rock Like the Pros nations that we have. So anyway, great job. We're going to be announcing the winner soon. So if you haven't signed up, if you haven't become a VIP, make sure you do that, because we're going to announce the winner soon, and I want you to have a chance to win one of those two Kala guitars. All right, so all right, I'm proud of you. You know that. I've been saying that. I'm proud of you for being here, making a commitment to the guitar, making a commitment to yourself. And now I want you to make the next step, which is joining that workshop, joining the membership, and really dedicating yourself to the guitar. So great job. The winners are coming soon. Do not delay.